So as a lot of you know, I have lovebirds and I've been really delving into breeding them, and I am just finding out so much cool stuff about genetics and mutations, and it's just really cool. So I'm going to break this down for you guys, what my birds are, their mutations, what they've been able to produce, what they could possibly produce, because it's really interesting. So to start, this is my mother bird's parents. This is her dad and this is her mom. These are peach-faced lovebirds. Her mom is a white face. Her dad is a wild type, which is just kind of generic for the green, but he's split for cinnamon. Here is mine right here as a baby. Here she is again with her partner, and again fully grown. So my female here is a cinnamon. Cinnamon is a sex-linked gene, meaning that her dad was split cinnamon. She shows cinnamon, and when they show cinnamon like this, they are always female. She's also split for blue, which is the blue series. So she is a cinnamon, split for blue, split for dark factor. He is a Dutch blue, split for dark factor, and split for Lutino. Lutino is also a sex-linked gene, meaning any babies produced that are Lutino are visual or automatically females. Other than sex-linked genes, you cannot look at a lovebird and tell if it's male or female, only when you know the mutations and things like that. So these are their offsprings. You have a regular kind of green baby here. You have their blue series babies. When they're blue, this is kind of the coloring they take. And then these two here are Lutinos, which are the kind of yellow variants. You can see that the eyes are pink and not blue. That's how you know you have a Lutino baby. Here's their baby's a little bigger. So this is a Lutino female. I still have her. This little guy back here this one is a dark factor green. So it's not a regular green. You can see with the beaks, they're very, very dark. It's got that dark factor, and it shows by having a darker coloration. This is a double dark factor Dutch blue. This is him full grown. He could also possibly be split for Lutino. So the double dark factor gives you this very dark coloring. He's a blue series, but since he's so dark, it comes out kind of really dark green and gray. And they have that really gray tail, so no blue coloring in it. This is my Lutino. Again, this is a sex-linked gene. She's a visual female. All the babies will be visual females. And she is also possibly split for blue and possibly split for dark factor as well. But since she's a Lutino, the Lutino covers it up so you wouldn't see it. There were those three as babies again. And here's a better one of that green. As you can see, he's just got a lot more dark coloring on him. Rest in peace, little guy.